Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by converting your profile to a professional account. This unlocks topic follow and improved discovery. Once done, immediately follow verified news outlets, local reporters, and subject matter profiles so Instagram learns your preferences. Next, enable push notifications for a handful of priority accounts and topic alerts. That ensures timely stories push to your device. Make sure to like and save the content you want more of, because Instagram uses those signals to populate your news tab and explore. Now refine the feed by actively curating signals. Save articles, like posts you trust, share stories to DMs, and comment thoughtfully. These actions tell Instagram what news matters to you. At the same time, mute or unfollow accounts that flood your feed with noise so higher quality outlets rise up. Also prioritize reels and video content from journalists and outlets because Instagram weights those formats heavily. Consistent engagement with those creators makes news appear more often in your home and explore sections. Finish by auditing your topics and interests in settings. Add pressing subjects and remove irrelevant ones so the algorithm sharpens. If your news feed stalls, clear the app cache or reinstall the app. Logging out and back in can reset recommendation signals. Make sure to report or mute misleading accounts and build saved collections for recurring sources. This preserves clean training data. If problems persist, temporarily pivot to following additional verified reporters until the feed readjusts to high-quality news.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.